I asked for minigames and you delivered. Welcome to Reilly Jam 7. Grab your bucket because fish are falling from the sky. Grab as many as you can in this simple but addictive arcade game. Pit of monsters, no problem. Grab your shot put and throw them down. Try and aim for the creature for bonus points. Simple to learn but hard to master. This is not just play your cards right. As the further you get, the better weapon you get in the apocalypse. What will you get to survive your next night? Take out the evil data packets while not attacking your own. Use your mouse and you better be quick. And watch out for the red ones as they'll reset your progress. There's also a bonus minigame if you can get past this first level, however we're just doing one entry per person. "30 seconds to learn a maze and place down markers. Will that be enough time to escape? To add an extra layer of difficulty, you only get so many moves to exit with.